Hey guys, lovelies, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. So first of all, yeah, I need to cut my hair as I said last Friday. I think I will do that tomorrow. But what a beautiful trade, guys. And why I have started this long. Uh, we have always understand all of the context of the market, because most of the time the market, like the big players, is gonna do something like that. You can see this seller candle here. This is kind of saying like, I did this movement, I tested this region, and I will like fakely do this seller candle. Why? This is the same candle to let most of us start a short here, believing that the movement will keep down. However, once we try to understand all of the context, we can see this uptrend movement here, where it was started like days ago on this bottom. Let me put this here. I want to, yeah, awesome. Uh, this candle tested this Fibonacci region. So this is the context for me, like uptrend, test this region, just like take a breath, the price took a breath and test this region of Fibonacci. So the trend may want to be down. Yes, definitely. Like the market do whatever he wants to do. However, all of the context say to me, this is a uptrend, this is a breath to keep the primary movement as a uptrend, as a upward, So that's why I started this trade here and why I did that. First, I was with more contracts and I sold a bit here and another one here, and my all of my target, it is on this region. When the price reach this region, I will sold like just this little contract that I am trading. But yeah, basically this trade, what I have been doing is I got this candle with this movement, which confluence with this region, and when this candle come to test this region, I started to buy on these Fibonacci zones, So I got some like sweating here, and but yeah, that was a amazing trade. So yeah, as I said, when it reaches this zone, I will sell everything in case the movement back, like push back to this region, I will stop as well. Cool, guys. That's it for today. Thank you very much. Have a lovely week. If you like, I'll kindly ask you just give me a like, subscribe my channel, anything that you need, like any question that you have, just write it down, and I'll do my best to answer as soon as possible. Cool. Thank you. Bye.